Hello YouTube, Space Cowboy here, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to your very first coding challenge. Now, the only way to learn how to code is to code. I'm sure other people have said that, but I'm quoting myself as saying that. The only way to learn how to code is to code. You have to actually get in there and create the variables. You got to create the if statements and the loops, and you got to create programs. And in this channel, or on this channel, I will be occasionally presenting you with coding challenges that you can complete, and it'd be awesome if you could actually post your code or your solutions in the comments section. So, what's your first challenge? Your first challenge is to create a program that generates ASCII art, ASCII art, which is ASCII is how we encode characters. So it's basically like creating art with just characters. You've probably seen this before. So I actually created several. It says several. Actually, I created 2 examples, and I had a blast doing it. Back in the day, when we were just had texting and on our little flip phones, we would do this, right? We would send each other text messages with these little, like, emojis, basically, because emojis didn't exist back then. And so this was one of my favorite ones. It's like this little guy doing the rock on. Oh, holy cow, that is cool. I do not know how I did that, but oh man, that's so cool. I feel like I'm just gonna, in general, like, discover how this works, these effects. But anyways, so what did I create? The first thing I did was just a smiley face, just very simple, straightforward. And when we run it, it prints it out. Doesn't look very good. I'm sure you guys can do something much better than that. And then just for fun, I was like, well, I want to ask AI to create some Python code for me that I can just copy and paste and run. And so I'm a big Smash Brothers fan. I've been playing Smash Brothers since the N64. I'm a Kirby main. Okay, just gotta admit it. I'm a Kirby main. So I was like, I asked ChatGPT to create some code that will print an ASCII Kirby to the console. And this is what it came up with. It looks nothing like Kirby. It says Tiny Kirby with blush. Let's see what it printed out. That's terrible. I think I even uploaded a picture of Kirby. And I was like, turn this into ASCII art, and that's what it did. So, yep. Anyways, that's your first challenge. Create a program that generates some ASCII art. I created some examples. I think you guys can do a lot better. So post your code in the comments below. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.